Have you ever wondered how to make money with Etsy? Well, you're not alone. Etsy is a bustling online marketplace that caters to creative entrepreneurs, providing a platform where they can sell their unique handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. The beauty of Etsy is that it connects makers directly with their customers, fostering a community of creative enthusiasts. The potential for income generation on Etsy is significant. However, like any business venture, it requires dedication, creativity, and a unique product or skill that can be monetized. Maybe you're a skilled jeweler, a crafty candle maker, or perhaps you have a knack for creating vintage-inspired clothing. Whatever your craft, Etsy offers a platform to turn your passion into profit. So, what's the key to success on Etsy? It begins with understanding the platform, identifying your unique selling proposition, and learning how to effectively market and sell your products. So, are you ready to explore the steps to make money on Etsy? Let's dive in. The first step in making money on Etsy is setting up your shop. Believe me, it's not as daunting as it might sound. Let's break it down together. First things first, you need to create an Etsy account. The process is straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic information like your email address, first name, and password. After you've confirmed your email, you're ready to move forward. Now let's talk about your shop name. Your shop name is your brand, it's your identity on Etsy. It's the first thing potential customers will see, so it needs to be catchy and unique. Maybe you want to incorporate what you're selling into the name, or perhaps you want to use a play on words. Whatever you choose, make sure it's memorable and speaks to your brand's character. Once you've chosen a name, it's time to set up the rest of your shop. Here's where you'll provide all the necessary shop details. You'll need to specify your shop language, country, and currency. This information helps customers understand what you're selling and how they can purchase it. Next, you'll select your payment methods. Etsy makes it easy by allowing you to accept payments through Etsy Payments, which includes options like credit cards, debit cards, Etsy gift cards, and more. The next step is to set your billing method. This is how you will pay your Etsy fees, so make sure you have a valid credit or debit card ready. Finally, it's time to stock your shop. But wait, we're not quite there yet. Before you can start listing your products, you need to set your shop policies. These are your rules for things like shipping, returns, and exchanges. Clear policies are a must to avoid any confusion or disputes down the line. Now that your shop is set up, it's time to list your products. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a successful Etsy seller. Remember, your shop is an extension of you and your craft. Make it personal, make it unique, and most importantly, make it yours. The next step to making money on Etsy is listing your products. This is where you get to showcase your work and attract those all-important customers. It's not just about uploading a picture and naming your product, there's a little more to it than that. Firstly, let's talk about the product descriptions. This is your chance to really sell your product. You need to be detailed, clear, and engaging. Describe the materials, the process of creation, the size, the color options, and any other relevant details. But remember, it's not just about the facts. You need to tell a story. Make it personal. Why did you create this item? What makes it special? This is your chance to connect with your customers on a deeper level. Now let's move on to the photos. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and on Etsy, this couldn't be more true. Your photos need to be high quality, clear, and well lit. Show your product from different angles, in different settings. If it's a wearable item, show it being worn. If it's a piece of art, show it on a wall. Help your customer visualize how they would use or display your product. Next is setting your prices. This can be a little tricky. You need to consider the cost of materials, your time, shipping, and Etsy's fees. But also, what is the market willing to pay? Do some research. See what similar items are selling for. Remember, it's better to start a little higher, as you can always have sales or offer discounts later. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, is optimizing your listings for search. This means using keywords in your title, tags, and description. Think about what your potential customers would type into the search bar when looking for your product. But be careful not to overdo it. Etsy's algorithm likes natural, readable text. With your products now listed, it's time to promote your shop. To make money on Etsy, you need to promote your shop and products. Now let's dive into some effective ways to promote your Etsy shop. First up, social media marketing. Social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook offer a goldmine of opportunities for Etsy sellers. With a visually appealing product, you can create engaging posts, share behind-the-scenes content, and even run giveaways to attract followers and turn them into customers. Next, consider email marketing. This is a great tool to keep your shop fresh in the minds of your customers. You can send out newsletters with updates on your latest products, special offers, or even a sneak peek into your creative process. Remember, it's important to keep your emails interesting and engaging, so your subscribers look forward to hearing from you. Now let's talk about Etsy's own promotional tools. Etsy Ads is a paid advertising solution that can help you reach more shoppers. With Etsy Ads, your products can appear more prominently in search results, increasing their visibility. Additionally, Etsy's off-site ads automatically advertises your products on sites like Google, Facebook, and Instagram. You only pay a fee when you make a sale from these ads, making it a cost-effective option. Another key part of promoting your Etsy shop is SEO, or search engine optimization. By using relevant keywords in your product titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your shop's visibility in both Etsy and Google searches. It's a bit of a science, but with some research and experimentation, you can master it. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of a well-rounded marketing strategy. While it's great to focus on one or two promotional methods, using a mix of strategies can help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of making sales. With a solid promotion strategy in place, you're well on your way to making money on Etsy. But there's one more important step. The final step to making money on Etsy is providing excellent customer service. Now let's explore why this is such an integral part of your business strategy. Imagine you're at a physical store and you can't find a product you're looking for. You'd naturally turn to a store assistant for help, right? And if they're helpful, you'd feel satisfied and more inclined to make a purchase. The same principle applies to your Etsy shop. Customer service is the lifeline of your business. It's the pillar that supports your reputation, builds trust, and encourages repeat business. It's not just about making a sale, it's about creating an experience that makes your customers want to come back. So, how can you provide excellent customer service on Etsy? First, be prompt in responding to customer inquiries. Remember, in the online marketplace, your customers can't see you. They can't gauge your sincerity from your facial expressions or tone of voice. So, your words and your speed of response become your primary tools for communication. Next, consider your shipping practices. Fast and reliable shipping shows your customers that you value their time and trust. It's also a great way to exceed expectations and stand out from the crowd. Finally, handle customer complaints professionally. Complaints are inevitable in any business, but it's how you handle them that makes the difference. Listen to your customers, apologize if necessary, and find a solution that leaves them satisfied. Remember, a complaint is an opportunity to show your commitment to customer satisfaction. In essence, excellent customer service is about treating your customers the way you'd want to be treated. It's about showing respect, being empathetic, and going the extra mile to ensure their satisfaction. When you do this, you're not just selling a product, you're building a relationship. And that's the key to a successful Etsy shop. With excellent customer service, you're sure to build a loyal customer base and make money on Etsy. So, there you have it, the steps to making money on Etsy. We've navigated through the process from start to finish. First, we looked at how to set up your Etsy shop, choosing a catchy name and optimizing your shop for success. Then, we delved into the art of listing products, focusing on quality photos and compelling descriptions. We also explored ways to promote your shop, using social media and Etsy ads to reach potential customers. Next, we discussed the importance of providing excellent customer service. Remember, happy customers are more likely to leave positive reviews and come back for more purchases. Now it's your turn. With these steps in mind, you're well equipped to set up your own Etsy shop and start your journey towards making money. Remember, success on Etsy doesn't happen overnight, but with patience, creativity, and hard work, you can certainly make money on this platform. Good luck.